yes, yeah, the Abeka say Obakuma wood stars ni more. Any power pay beef by a Korean Gansalaven. Aye. Kojo ya pay. They would be a Kojo Solia would decom beef into the Kojo pay beef. I was say Emila Brobe. I better plan to Kojo cancer. Efa and Sambia or Kaya from 2024. Kojo can last 7 be seen. Emila's a failure. Very reply, Kojo, very reply. 80 million. I better reply Kojo cancer. Remember when you want to watch me at the amame. Comment section. I hope you work me that best was any demo. Over like if you order about subscribe button, subscribe click verification icon for latest updates about the watch that mame comment section. Over so that's your first any over movie more your friend acting. Idea CBR yeah are the personal feelings to it because yeah acting. I'm an first sometimes over to me I true acting obi to me a ball all right near the that hitting sound no afase now when I sound as a reality but in natural sense born there war ball but once sound how I say we see about na ye pine kese no enya sa ala say enya sa but born there obeball ne nsa be kan ala say e ma hwe movie mu dia kuma movie ni any even other movies bia na be see ye bo obi asum obi bo obi ha any other e ma bi ko be kan ideas movie ko na ko ngan san lewen ono kura bo say na ye bo say kwabena bu na kwabena bu didi na tembi no I got I was seeing a share was see any more work out that movement. Now you know there was a movie biswa. Emra Brobe ko yanga san act here. But movie mo ko Emra Brobe e de sab empaboa e ball lewen. Or say the empaboa e ball no. But say I didn't see movie ni mo no. Say ko yanga san e de ahye ni mu were taking the personal. It was 2024 ni mu. Abana ko akwa ni movie premiere for a country called Ghana no. Ana ko yanga san na oye promotion. Emu kwa de ka akonya accident no. It's one of the radio stations. Now, Hono, and I could do cast no the same stars, the entire one first stars, maybe our money show, and so any other day. To the Korean and say one, obeying the sea. And then you call Tamu Emra Brobe incidents with him happen in a movie acting. No, Korean cancer, I go pay the bank. Oh, that now Emra Brobe any day. In fact, Emra Brobe said that.
And of course, all coming up on Emilia Brobe, you are the money.
Oh, you know, baby. I don't mention baby.
Hey, what dear man, upcoming.
I don't count, baby. I don't count on the man and couple of
ding,
including producers. One of big producers is Organa. Everybody, when a bigger, oh wow, or catching me pain. Say we want it. Oh, when you physical, one the legend. Oh, you may
Goku spirit.
A bassa unwe, you can't change already. Welcome, and who sampa. Una wish me shame. This market of Vaco on the honest work on my own son to see more. Many one ma. Hey, that I could use no say to me on your day. Baby boo and Muna and more actors. And the actors need
I see in movie or the Charlie H. Pain. And watch you know, and who's Emila Brobe. As an Korean cancer the ex, that is Sandra Chan. Sandra Abebu a interview. And I'm not able to answer questions be any other that's not question that's not or throw between us Sandra Abebu no and the Korean cancer.
I know said Lewena boa pa kweju because me cry no or no na me me can say on the ebre
right
yeah wa boa pa aya o feel say when you bold in attach no na ebi mu do atem won ho.
Oh idea ye bia ya na bonyo bata ho. It doesn't really matter. Me, I've gone to understand say abrabo na me bonu me hwede obi ka. Say minim I know my journey and I know what I know.
And you know what you want.
And I know what I'm about. And so whatever distraction that is around me, you know, I know say kasa de nipa beka. Nipa hunu no nipa beka. Nipa person can be obeka. But I don't let that distraction astray me from my main journey. I don't look at that.
Do you sometimes regret say when
I have never regretted anything in my life. No. Giving back the same life, I would want God to take me through the same process.
That's amazing. I am a penny pa omuye. Obi owa the mere fact say ye did not target Bema or no ne didn't buy no not as no, but watching you closely no. Debia, you appreciate Lewin and I'm so proud of you for that.
Thank you.
Because that was your little humble beginning.
Yen shenipa emgunenimtia.
Because when him the obey that.
Yes. And I share me say eniama bibia nyamiti Mrs. Son bia shebre at any point in time. And I share me say abraboy to boasie. Because I saw them with nothing. And at some point, we seen a dime papa house or kwa abuche Fred Bogama. They didn't even know they have struggled. You understand? Into the fact that God takes you through lessons in life and does not let you look like your hustle. And I said, well, past now teaches you something in life. Yes.
This is quite personal, and I'm sure you are not expecting me to ask you this.
And then don't. I am a very straightforward person. There are a lot of things. Meti me share will be ne obe frame on kaime and I'm here say that men kayo woman as long as I'm no be share obeye de obeye me na me come adwene akire wo no. I don't remember because I don't hold on to the past. I don't look at it. But there are a lot of people who would wrong you and still look at you today and want to turn back and nah.
It's interview as I see on the internet and you can say who ye and you say hey Emilia, how dare you? Why dare you? Emilia, why dare you? Why dare you? So to go share me X. I'll be sending these questions. And then I will pen a Koyoko pie in the media and so they will see every day no be Gina media so to be man no quiet sir. Koyobe quiet sir.
Usanse woni be nantie no. Woni be nantie no. Wari get sink of camp woni for. Enti say you say sabe ono sandra nim nyansa se wa interview ni na. Na nkampa. Na nka se wa abaka nsem nge hu ya. As ya mencha se bu di machi bia na mu bi na so ni mu. Se be personal we di machi bia no me na bode da. Okuku se se fifi na okuku se. Me osa make se nyansa bia ni. Ade ye nyanko ba mwa. Ana sandra timi efise wan ma na bani pa nkasa ko me maguas be yanko bon chade nam so ne ye adwuma to back all about for sani pay no panase ne first me tell sunya hayi adofo asa anti japan o ka ho ejo mo fena be ni fi akra abedu kumase ejo mo vi no o shedem officer stand who dem na hey wait shopi some na obi a on se o ma me hia me hia o ma me o mu ska o mu se da bi o ka se kwatiam aji ma me so movie hare o iskene ba kwano ba movie ya akra o to ba ti ase but say be nyama be shana say bo no ho hye no e fra na mfoko ne fi nyina what say tell obi sam no say woni me nanti ye why get ya na pa ha o ni me de wajimi bi de ka anwa imagine o bo so chebe ugume ni mas sile ko fom ma hunyansa e ka se nyina e bo adwuma no hunyama film e bi ye interviews mun sa musa question nyansa o kwase senko a obi a wo interview kopo obi a officer self me chana makoma na wo bi yanti be ka gachi no na obi say oni matuma I'll come to you.
I'm at that challenge or say emi adi twa no kwaje di nkoma fa ho from 2024 ne sa besi ba fra bi san mula bro say there be very proud kwaje cancer because o he kwaje kasa sa kwaje akwan sa ba fe die o very proud kwaje cancer the way any nsem a Emilia eka e de kire kwaje cancer in response
Meaning so try YouTube, and I also invest in YouTube.
So you know.
And aside that, people call him to work. And yeah, no more phrase here me ejuma. You be juska because ejuma no so ho beti ama. And nunti na me say onye obi a okasa ejuma we oya wontimi nye.
Na se mo misni ska wom.
Se me de to me, oyire ho na oye ni yi a. Wunya wo ho mroso ba de ubenye bi edidi na wasan de ahye adwuma ne mu de ubenya
enye bi
aboa busua fo de ubenya
ntene nka mo me eno anu no
me de me eno na me ye ena me san eye adwuma nso wo UK ka ho enti me de me ntimi nka se me transe amenya adwuma me ho bekeka me
okay my next question be related to obi kase opese oye ya
young girls be almost into acting. Obi ahwewa from the nkra ma wa inspire na or da so hwe o say me pese me nyina me pese me yet say mommy Emilia efutu ben na wo de be ma say nipa no obi into safo no.
Okay, me my dear baako a me ho wo me ho ne say determination and hard work.
Okay.
My last one no patience. Okay. Determination nene say me dey see me me busa mpese me ye bibi na nipa wo si wo busa opese ye bibi a won relax you will work.
Okay,
it's hard work afa abotre because ade bi o na wo pe wo hontem enya ba e bia na wonya e betwa onkwa so tieti ade ama.
Okay,
ti nipa bi ono apese o de ma wo de ma.
Okay,
and sabre no so nyame de ma wa or the mouse so easily say usan bisa hu bi me na menya ade ana enya me a
and then many opoku bills and din komo osun we interview name to be like ye din komo na say ewura nti na o say me slow down me bisa na say na owani da so obi say o pese oba UK begina o2 because onye musician or ye actor or dem say nyame adom re into acting. But now what say is maybe begina O2 are performing. And when na a run as I come na was start so. You know, then again I asked that man Dr. Likey. And see, I mean
they be no they wear a smile. To be doing so you okay. The bullies, the trolls, even private issues to deal with. Crazy. But people think say they see us in makeup, in clothes, and we are working. They think everything is okay. It's not like that.
We nipa. Na me ba ho, eno na nka me bem bata ba ide ma me nwremu ho. Enkofo truly mo, enkofo ebule mo media no so aye ka mo. Pa.
Okay, me.
Okay.
Me die, ye bully me, ye trolling me. Ye me ya. Say it be our families and friends for me. No more say, "Oh, Emilia, we woman how I then." We dey say, "Wow, we juma." Say we dey wow, we juma. I'm like, unim, ya pa Paulino. Especially scandal aba. Na amanfo di watem. De obeje di kansem. Unyanka obeyi obia no baako ba medium de achichi me ho re ni say the odo bedo don't pay wasem and I think it's life nti obebo nyame mpa say one o ma wo ma asem two o ma akukuduro ene arechichire na wa achichi ho re.
Okay, na fafam me pacho minim sa brabo ye mfa obi en compare obi but Miss Bell Ebetina United Showbiz aka say enyoma wonu ne ho say wanya tama no bank of bully no media no so say one bambi defending ho e man ko fo feel say ensema yaka to ni so nyina no eye no kra enti ne ono afutu ode be ma no de ma young ni say se e ka asem bi eto so na enye no kra ono de ohu ne say be kasem na yanka say no kra.
It depends. Ebia sebita fache yesu we kunipa. I'm so about because. But it was sembi o ho a ehia ma se obeyi ho ano. Ebi so o ehia ma se obeja
manaka.
Yes.
Enya asem bia. Se say no hu na onfa no saa. E 9 na ase 6 a.
To say Pa George asem 7 million
me frɛ
me offer me na mama niska offer me nti me sure some buy UK no offer me onyame nti me o say me no ndi mi sikada
o say ha no because
o say o me pacho fa chemi o me oh yes
okay
after say otra radio so ni mi sikada o say opam cho me fa nche no na ya refree
wanyime
Inti enwe chikran ma send me ska 2 times. Recently, me call Ghana in April. And also 9th May, say your birthday. emi na very birthday unti na mse na ye kase wi am the best send o me de man emi me da senya me nshira was nti but say obeye sa no na me no ye interview say and na Pa George twa ntro ato me so say na me de abufu a sebeta frache over 70 when you cry say my grandmother and the fact say be a nipa no ofre a wonyame nipa so de mfom so ho asem bi ho bi be kan later no I realize say say me cry you know inti
one of those
things, yeah.
Inti bibisa na ba you feel like okay o de ono na
but yeah. Okay. I mean, knowing very well, say ni pay now maniska.
Yeah.
Now one day, say ofrefre wa wonya you know single outside it hurts. Because say being crofo amani we infa hu omoda no. Omokra me bomb. And one thing I know make statement is say now people were doing headlines so onna obodeme buy
yeah because say oman take kasa ni so free
it was looking like obi the one very industry mu and the person may odeme be raw industry is Daniel Dele ne papa wuye me ko born is say 10,000 cities or something nti miracle me papa ebrini abibi otemenka nti I am not somebody meeting me show on gratefulness I'm moving to na me mama you know but to say they can asem no one tin ye ebi so wo ho a once a woni nipa no unim se montem saa de ni ho no you just let it go
me being grateful say utimi tina ho no abo de odo ba ye din wabo mo mabo odin aya na eye bi so den say obeka say asumesi na de me buy because me ne salinku atwetwe nkomo obo actor bi din ma ne da ne ntokwa me ne enkofo ekoka say o mabo asumesi da the other person will come and say omo ameda menye as me pese be two personal enkofo until the me general like I see so many times and then a shower and I say you feel like oh me Emilia but I was say me kind or the
okay me say the buy and bearer industry now Bob Santo wunyame fa ne currency nti as e fie kwan ho na mabegina ye nyina ye hwe stars na ekọ but luckily omu drew achemso edu no omu si free car nim kakra na me nante call da ne adele ye ho
okay
I'm sure me teacher ni am afa ne ebe post me to oboase but modwuma no me pe bi o say age obakumase so fortunately for me ade anyame pese o ye no obeye oboase ni kuma
Lewen say what the paboa bonaso
right
and no crem pacho
in reality or in movie
they will say can they also na say all bad into uhune say
is it in a movie or in reality
how is it shamed or in say in a movie but your actions in it naturally as say now when
why share sorry but Auntie Mercy ne Mac Brown
yeah
what to say Auntie Mercy ka say Mac Brown in a movie the rasta kwa no abo obobo na sum tutu ida what da onte da won
share Auntie
upa akwohwehwe
okay
bibie si wo movie mu ye mfa ne personal ti minim ne enti o fa ne personal that is one na sansem no metitia but na me mpese meso so until I realized that na for fan of personal so I say me attacking nipa ne personality and na me dey ade abono no it was a scene gateman na me ba me kunu fia as so the oba be show story na che breakum or something to me refi to me to ade ne bono no he feels me cry I didn't know until I got a call and I'm say na e bill
after
that scene no na bill friend me say boy be say I'm say oh scene bra nya yi bia say oh yes the way our boy no efa ade na me say oh enye sa net say so me there I've forgotten about it and
2025 in episode P
until that was when who said no aside that na matete e wo baby a enye industry
okay
until time me promote me movie bi asa na Rashad GH.
Yeah, Rashad.
Obisa me na me say no. I said we twem tititi, but if the guy feels that maybe sabre no na say me hunu so nyo bia no, then I'm sorry, no. That is not the intention. To me ye ejuma.
Me passion me say en clear kakra e bia ene obi first time I ought to say which what say bia le when I come about until side of the story ni ye time or the ball na passion bill afraid after the scene na bill from passion also try say e bia director or director scene no be rich no non waka.
I think say na ye it was famous. It was famous set.
Okay.
It be happen on the set ye bibia ye konti me kwade.
But after was someone acted several times. More than a year, Juma. And then that's a shame trip.
That's surprising. After that,
conversation with me here, no, so
yeah. After that, ye nyuma pi me movie premiere crowd was sunyan Adam for Bonnie. Me movie nankasa was sunyan. No ka ho. Even I movies baby.
Oh.
And sana menene nso aye nyuma pi. Nti
and I want say one of once I thought I know okay can some dia grow and I say one of them.
I don't know, but after I clarified, because people started feeling like that obi okra onim say it's in a movie.
Okay.
Obi o feel say nipa na e ba so na ubu ni sa tantade na odi empabo challenge, so you know. Because I said me movie it me bomb and so ampampa na me so.
I think so. Oh sorry.
Oh kasa.
I think so tell a crack catcher say miracle film set so obi hwie nkwan a mako nyina wom egu nanis.
Me e bi o wa ye bomb yankasa. E ma me so. But me we a ntimi ko gina baby mbie ma no say oh nipa so me say make am po make say hey ne set pa
yeah dima
you know that's I would just but if
Chira wadwe mama e wo comment section hype na Block Media aka